We've got all these nice payments showing up here, $57. Let me scroll down quickly. Here's another one of $26,000. Here's another one of $426 for the day, $530 for the day and a few cents. And here's some more screenshots looking like it's been sent to a gmail.com account. Bought service for $57, etc., etc. Hi there, my friend, Errol Muller here, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, we will be doing a review based on the Cash Catalyst. Now, in this case, if you type in Cash Catalyst on Google, it will bring up a totally different website. We are working with the domain name of getcashcatalyst.com. Now, I'm going to delve into the details of this program based on what I can see on the homepage. So right now on your screen, there will be a disclaimer. Please take some time, pause this video, read the disclaimer, and let's continue along. Now, while watching this video right now, I want you to pay very close attention. Reason being, I'm going to share a few things with you in order for you to basically any type of program or system or anything that you want to buy. I'm going to show you a few tricks, nifty little tricks that you can use and apply in order to make sure and do your own research, or in order to determine if something is legit or not. So stay tuned, because I'm going to take you through it step by step and show you what you need to do in order to see if anything is legit before making a purchase. Now, before we continue as well, please give this video a like, a thumbs up, because I want it to rank as quickly as possible within the search engines in order to help more individuals similar like yourself to make an informed decision. That is very important for me. Now, I just want to share something with you. If you below this video, there will also be a link. This is my company. This is my business. I am the owner and founder of this business, Empire Digest. And as soon as you click or type in Empire Digest, it will bring you over to this home page right now. Now, if you are serious about building a sustainable long-term business online, I'm not talking about a get-rich-quick scam, anything like that. I'm talking about a legit business, whereby you can run this business for as long as you want, not a get in, get out thing, whereby a company closes overnight, anything of that sort. A legitimate business for you to run it by yourself, and if you want to, you can eventually employ employees. Then I highly suggest you head over to empiredigest.com, click on the show me how to make money button, and then follow along, register for the webinar, and then a live webinar, and then we'll take it from there. Now, at the same time, I am basically, Empire Digest is a result of what I've learned within that system, and it's the actual application of what I've learned. So do check that out. Now, back to Cash Catalyst, and hopefully by now you've given this video a like. So let me share something with you. Firstly, there's so many things that you can go through and videos that you can watch, and you can see all these payments and $57, $57, $57, $57, etc. sent to you can see it's at gmail.com. Bought service for. These are all people buying a specific product. Call it that, a specific product. And I want to share something with you. So firstly, this guy, if we scroll all the way to the bottom, he's also at the very beginning of this page. This Jason Fulton, I've literally on the top right hand side done a review about another program called AI Profit Siphon that's also referring to this guy, Jason Fulton. And I'm going to show you a nifty little trick whereby you can use Google to bring up as much information as possible related to this specific photo, to this specific individual. Now, I've gone and I've searched for his name, Jason Fulton, on LinkedIn. I've searched for him on Facebook, and I've searched for him on X. I've searched for him on Google. The only thing that I could find was a Facebook page that didn't really have much. It's called Jason Fulton with a picture and with 5 or 6 other pictures on his profile. So to me personally, that meant absolutely nothing. There's nothing for me. If you go back to Cash Catalyst, all these income claims that is on the website, these profits. Okay, so here it shows you for limited time only. Grab it now for a small one-time fee of $17. Now there's always upsells and back-end sales that happens, and then that's how everybody makes their money. Nothing wrong with that. It's called affiliate marketing. But when you do approach affiliate marketing and you do offer something to somebody, I've got nothing at all against the owner or the developer or the creator of this, call it so-called sales page, getcashcatalyst.com. It's just that me personally, when I provide you with something, or when I ask you to join a certain program or a business or anything of the sort, and it is an affiliate link, I'm going to be sure that it's going to change your life, like really change your life. Not quickly make 1,000 here or 1,000 there, 500, and then all of a sudden the company closes down. Not at all. I've got to make sure that it's literally going to change your life forever going forward. Okay, in a good way, in a positive way. Now, I couldn't, all these claims of $26,000, etc., where it says withdraw, submit, yeah, today, $426. I've got nothing to reference this against. There's no video that whereby they log into an account. Literally what I'm doing right now with you, like over the shoulder type of training, logging in, showing you this is my withdrawal, this is the money that I've received, the commissions, and I've withdrawn it to my account. So I couldn't see anything like that. And then secondly, a nifty little trick, like I said, I'm going to share with you right now. What you want to do is you can use any type of photo. Okay, it's called Google Lens at this point in time of me shooting this video. So you can use any type of image. I've already saved this guy's image, or this individual, Jason Fulton, as they call him. And I went over to Google Lens, and I'm going to show you something, a nifty little thing. Head over to Google, click Google, then you see on the right hand side it says search by image. Click on that, and then you can upload a file. So in my case, I've already saved him. Upload a file, desktop, there you can see Jason, and I would enter his picture. Then you can drag anywhere. You can literally select what section of the image you want to search for. So in this case, I want to search for, let's quickly just narrow it down a little, for Google to pick up as much information as possible related to this photo. As you can see, he's artificial intelligence cache review, inject artificial intelligence cache review, AI loophole, fast cache code, artificial intelligence news glitch, cache catalyst, which is the product review that we are doing right now. So this specific picture is linked to so many other programs that, to me personally, I don't trust it. I think it's just a general picture that's been using. Don't take me to word for it. I'm giving you my personal opinion. I'm just sharing with you what I think. I think it's just a general picture with numerous different types of sales pages, different company names. If it is a registered company, different company names, in order to basically just create some social authority in order for you to basically buy into this program. Now, here's another one. Suwen Ungundile. Let's quickly, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but this guy brings up software developer, digital marketer, and business coach. Now, that is what this picture, if I click on this, it doesn't bring up, so here's it. Jason Fulton, CEO, JF Marketing Media Australia. Let's quickly see JF Marketing Media Australia. Okay, I'll quickly JF Marketing Media Australia. We are passionate about, okay, JF Media Marketing. There's no physical JF and marketing. Let's quickly see if we can bring up any other information related to Jason Fulton and the review on that website. Okay, nothing. JF Media. Once again, let's see. There's a picture of which he is definitely not within that picture, not that I can see. Here's another one. JF Media. Different pictures. So that's why I said that's a nifty little trick that you can apply. Now, not only based on that specific photo, what I've done is I've actually went over to Cache Catalyst, and then I've taken some of the other review photos, which is very similar to AI profit siphon on the top right hand side, another product review that I did for you. And let's quickly go there. I want to bring up all those review faces. Okay, so I've saved okay, I haven't saved any one of these, so let me quickly show you what I do. So I've typed in snipping tool, or is it snippet? I don't remember. Let's say snip. Okay, let's say snipping tool. There we go, snipping tool. I'd say new. Then I select a picture like this. I'll quickly bring up Ashley, and then I'll go ahead and I'll say save file, save as, quickly on my desktop, and I save this lady called Ashley, for instance. Okay, I say save. And I'll head over to, I've actually saved numerous other individuals. There's more reviews on this program that I quickly want to show you. Before we continue along, I want those 3 individuals, not these ones. There was another so-called social proof, where people has provided their reviews based on Cash Catalyst. And let me show you, scrolling down, it's a massive, hell of a long sales page. The more you go down, the more you get intrigued, the more your mind tells you to make a purchase. Here we go. I've saved this guy, Mackie, and let's quickly see. Okay, so Google Lens. Let's quickly first find the lady that, let's say Google once more. Then we say Google Lens. I'm going to use the lady that I just saved, that Ashley lady. So let's head over. Let's click on the Ashley. Now, anything related to that specific type of image, Google will bring up. So in this case, nothing. I'm going to narrow it down just to make sure that we get only a picture of a face. Google is very powerful, and the artificial intelligence behind Google is extremely powerful. So just based on that, let's quickly see. There's a photo that's not her. Okay, so it just brings up a picture very similar to her, but that's it. There's nothing else, no other picture. And you can do this with photo by photo by photo on anything that you want to do. So let's quickly use this guy, Mackie. Looks very professional, right? You can see it. So he should be all over the internet. Looks like he's standing on a stage or something at the back. You can see that. Or it might be like a director's photo or anything. You go to Google image. Let's quickly search Mackie. Where have I saved him? There's Mackie, and open. Let's quickly see. I'm going to save. I'm going to narrow it down a little. In actual fact, I don't really need to narrow it down because it's only bringing up this specific picture on getcashcatalyst.com. Nowhere else to be found. Okay, so it's not to say that it's, how can I put it, not a real review. But let's take another one. Let's quickly use this Philip guy. I think I've also saved a picture of him just to get as much information as possible. Now, I'm not saying it's a lie at all. I'm just saying that do as much research as you possibly can in order to get as much information as you possibly can. So that's that Philip. Yes, Philip from Cash Catalyst. And then look at that. It only brings up Cash Catalyst. Nothing else. Nothing of the sort. So that is very important for me, and that's how I determine before I buy anything. I do as much research as I possibly can before I look at purchasing anything, and I want you to do the same. I'm not saying, look, in order to, if you want to buy or purchase Cash Catalyst, it's entirely up to you. The decision is still with you. I'm just helping you and assisting you by giving you as much information and giving you resources basically at your hands for you to make that informed decision. So once again, if you really want to make money, head over to empiredigest.com, go through the process, and then I will definitely see you on the inside. Thank you. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, loving, financially successful, healthy life going forward, and I will see you in my next video and on the inside. Enjoy.